Still scrolling through endless enum lists in Unity? There has to be a better way. Meet Searchable Enum, a lightweight Unity editor extension that transforms the default enum dropdown into a fast, searchable picker. Just click the dropdown, navigate entirely with your keyboard using the arrow keys, enter, escape, and page up or page down. Start typing, and the results filter instantly. Need world renderer? Just type WR. With smart search ranking, SearchableEnum prioritizes prefix matches, word boundaries, substrings, and even fuzzy searches. So finding the right value takes seconds instead of endless scrolling. You can even pin your most used enum values to a favorites section for even faster access. The current value is highlighted, match counts update live, undo and multi-object editing work seamlessly, and there's absolutely zero runtime overhead. Enable global mode to make every enum in your project searchable automatically, or use the Searchable Enum attribute on individual fields. Whether you're building gameplay systems, AI, inventories, rendering tools, or editor extensions, Searchable Enum helps you spend less time searching and more time creating. Searchable Enum. Enums, the way they should be.